Do you live in a small apartment? Do you have limited access to ingredients? Do you want a clean, fever dish, but still enjoy delicious desserts? Then this quick, easy, and simple blueberry mug cake is the perfect dessert for you. The ingredients that you will need for this are flour, sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, milk, butter, blueberries, and vanilla extract. We are going to start our mug cake by measuring 1.5 tablespoons of butter into our mug cake and melting it into the microwave. Once finished, set the mug inside and we'll be using it later. We're gonna start combining our dry ingredients. Start by adding 1/4 of a cup of flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna add 2. Finally, add a pinch of salt. Mix everything together gently. We're going to now go and move on to the wet ingredients and add 3 tablespoons of milk of your choice. I personally chose Heritage's milk. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then melt butter and give it a gentle mix. After the butter is completely mixed, add about a handful of fresh berries. However many as you're liking, and mix them into butter or batter. Grab your mug of choice and pour the batter into the mug. Put the mug in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Carefully take the mug out of the microwave and set the table to cook, or to cool. And there you have it, a quick, simple, and delicious mug cake to savor your sweets. Hope you found this video helpful and will now add the easy recipe to your collection. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to the video.